Okay, continuing with this part, okay, in the listening part of the TOEFL, okay, so you will listen longer conversations, okay, not only short conversations like I can swim or can you give me a can of soda, okay, so no, you will listen longer conversations, okay, but for example, we were listening that how to identify the correct word. First, by the sound. When you listen the sound, you listen, for example, the word can. Okay, you can imagine the two meanings, okay, of can, verb, okay, as a motor verb, and can, the noun, okay, that's something that you drink, a can of soda, okay. But when the sound doesn't work, when the sound fails, okay, we go to the meaning. How do we get meaning? Meaning is about knowledge, okay? Maybe from a dictionary, maybe because somebody told you, okay? So now we know meaning, okay? One more time, I repeated this, and this is very important. Why? Because when the meaning fails, you can say, okay, I have the word can, and I can imagine that it's can the verb or can the can of soda, okay? So, but what is the correct? Okay, let's go to the meaning, no? What is can? We have it. But okay, I don't get it. How do I identify if I'm using can the modal or if I'm using can the noun? Okay? So, this is how you identify it. By the context. Context is very, very important. Context, in other words, is the situation. Okay? So imagine a situation where there is you, okay, and then you are giving a coin. Okay, you are in a grocery store. Okay, so we have here the other person, and this person is giving you. Let's put it here because he's watching you. Okay, so then the situation is that you are in a grocery store, okay, and you are giving your money, okay, this is your money, you are giving it to the tender, okay, to the assistant in the grocery store. So you're exchanging money for the can of soda. So how do you know is the correct one? It's this one, because the situation is saying you that, okay, that this is the correct that you are thinking. Okay? So that is the part of the context, that is the situation. But another important thing that we have over here is the vocabulary. Okay? We have to introduce vocabulary to the situation. If you don't listen the word can, and you don't know the idea what is can in that moment, so by the vocabulary, okay, you can listen. Okay, what is the vocabulary that is happening over here? Okay, the vocabulary is money. The vocabulary is the shop assistant. Okay, so is making requests. Okay, and you can think all about it. Vocabulary gives you more context, and you can say, okay, you can imagine, okay, it's talking about money, it's talking about a shop assistant, and you listen verbs like, for example, give, okay, money, shop assistant, give, you are requesting something, okay, maybe I am in a grocery store, okay, so your situation is that you are in the grocery store, the context is all like that. So can, what is can? Is lata, okay, can of soda. So vocabulary is also important, okay? Because when the sound fails and the meaning fails, the context plus the vocabulary helps you to understand everything. Okay? And that's all for this session. If you have more questions, I will upload another video. Okay? Thank you. Got it.